I am now unmuting myself. Okay. Where do we need to go here, and then I can turn this off. Okay. So, I discovered why it wasn't working, and it's because, it's not detecting me picking up the object. That's why. Because we have it so that if it detects me picking up the object, if this equals or greater than 1, and I had 1, it would write this, but it didn't do that, and I had this thing, and it said that it didn't bring up this prompt. So, that means somewhere in here, oh boy, I'm gonna have to, I'm gonna have to find this in all of Owen's script. Ooh boy, okay. I need to find the player pref. I need to find the player pref for the cake. So here it is. So if item name equal cake, player prefs dot get in cake in 0. So that sets the player pref, or that gets the player pref, and then we set it 2 plus 1, and then it's called cake int. So if we go back to journal, this is cake int. It's named everything is named the same. It adds 1, but for some reason, when it's not reading the item name to be cake, which means it has to do with something in here. So, and it's actually in here. So this, not that one, this chest right here, specifically, this chest, it says it has cake in it. It says it has the cake item in it, but it's not doing anything. Why the fuck is it making me... Okay. Well, whatever. It says it has the cake in it. It says the item name is cake, and it has the item script. It has this. Got items. Contains sprite open. Sprite close. Got items. Non-interactable. I'm just trying to think, because it did not detect me picking it up. So let me test something else. So let me go into it, let me press play, let me grab the cake, and then let me see if it, if I can use the cake in a battle. So I go into here, say hi to Pat, pick up the cake, you've picked up the cake. Okay, now we're gonna head down. And then, sure, why not? Actually, no, I'm not going to save it. I'm just going to fight this guy. It's going to take a bit to load for the first time. I don't know why it does that, but it's okay. So the screen, again, is being weird. I mean, I guess I could... Yeah, that's the problem. That's the reason why it's not working. Anyways, okay. So we're going to attack. Do that. Oh fuck. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh! 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 Okay. Let's actually attack again. And then let's get hit a little bit. So you can hit me. Boom, boom. Okay, that's as much as I get hit. Or not. Okay, cool. We got hit a couple more times. Alright, that's fine. You go to item. It says cake is there. And I can use cake, but I can't tell. I think that did work. I think it did work. Oh, fuck. I think Owen made this harder. Is it me to... Owen make this harder. Owen made this harder. Bitch. I used the cake, but I can't see my fucking... Okay, I can't see my health bar, and I couldn't see if it went up or not. So let me go to game. Let me maximize on play. Again, I don't know why the aspect ratio is being dumb. Hopefully full screening it fixes it, but I'm not sure. Let me go into here. Is this Owen's? Okay, well, let me go in here. What if I... Let's go... Actually, let's go back in. Oh! Oh, he put in the wolf? I didn't know Owen put in the wolf. Okay. Does 30. My health went back up all the way. It's still doing that. Why is it doing that? Okay. Yeah, he never put in any attacks for the wolf yet. But the wolf is in. I didn't know that. Oh, I'm in game. Oops. Okay. So the item... I'm trying to figure out what the item's going to work out. But let me press play again. Let's see if it restarts. I need it to restart itself. I just got to press play twice. Yeah, there we go. Alright, let me grab the cake. The cake works. It's there. Come down to here. I need to fix the access. I fucked the end. Wait, what did it just do? Oh, it just did that. Okay, good. Yeah, because you can also barely see the road here. Oh, well now the aspect ratio is fixed. Why did it fix itself? Okay, whatever. Attack him. And then get hurt, like, once. Well, I might get hurt more than once because this fucking attack. Oh, well now it changed completely. Now it's back to normal, how it normally was. Okay. So before it was just being dumb. Alright, now I'm going to let it get hit twice. Boom, boom. That's what my health looks like, alright? Now, use item. Cake. It did heal me, so the cake worked. Okay. So, alright. So that's weird. Why did it do that? Oh, oops. Now I'm confused. Because it's... I pick up the cake. I've picked up the cake. It works. It heals me. It's in my inventory. It goes away when I'm done using it. Yet for some reason, in here, I have this debug.log on the cake to see if it works. And I go into... If I go into here... And I... Actually, let's make this... let's make that not maximize on play. So when we start it... We pick up the cake. Ready? Picked up the cake. It does not detect that we picked up the cake. It just doesn't say that we picked up the cake, which means it's not detecting that the cake has increased to 1, which means that in the heal movement, it's... What? I'm so confused. I'm so confused. Player prefs... Okay, if item name equals cake. Want to get the cake int. Oh my god. Okay. So this, I can't tell if this is the thing that isn't working. Because here's the thing. So, okay. So the cake int is separate from the actual cake thing. Because I think that's in the item script. And because we made the cake play, or maybe we didn't, and I'm just dumb. If player plus stock string got items contains this name, is probably equals true, false. I am very confused. Why? It's... Okay, let me go over this again with my head. We pick up the item, everything works. Everything seems to work. Except for one thing. That this is not setting itself to +1. Void item pickup. Is it because we changed this? Because when Owen and I were making the key, I think it was the key, we changed something with the interacting object script. I wonder if that caused the problem. And something's wrong here, but it's Owen's script, so it's like my brain is trying to be like, alright, so what was Owen thinking when he was writing this? What does this do? So we have this, that, boom, that, add writer. Okay, I think that's completely different. Get string, got items. Let me look for the player pref got items. Got items. Player pref, this is setting got items, and then this is getting the got items, and an interactable object.name. And then here it's saying if the item name is cake, which we have, it's named cake in here. Like we have it, let me unplay that. We have it so that, like in here, if we go to this chest, we know it works. We know it works. It says cake. We know it works. The problem is that it's not working because I'm going to cake. It does that. It gives it to me. And then in the journal script, if player has gotten cake int, which is cake int, is greater than or equal to 1, then this equals that. Unless if I wrote the debug.log system, the statement here, wrong, but it says it worked. Like it says there's no issues found. I think this is how you're supposed to write it. But it just, because the thing is when I have this so that if it runs this, it's saying that if it recognizes it as equal to or greater than 1, then it sets this and it also will say works. So we know that if it says works, that means it should be setting it to this, which means it's a UI problem. But when I did that, when I picked up the cake, it was not setting the UI. But why? Why won't that work? What is wrong with it? Because the thing is that it literally, it works. It's giving me, but for some reason it's saying it won't work. I'm afraid this seems like it's right, which means if this is correct, if I wrote this correct and it's not popping this up in the console when I pick up the cake, that means that's the reason why this isn't working, because this isn't being ran. What I'm thinking, it might, is it because, no, because it wasn't working prior. Because before we changed, because before what we did is let me turn off let me clear everything here so we can clear that. Because before what we did is we had the script in the journal. Right here it's removed. And I want to try to remove component. I don't know what this is going to do. That might have fixed it. For all I know, that might have fixed it. But here, we put it here. And this shouldn't matter because what this is saying is, here is because what we're doing is we're referencing that cake int text for the cake text, and we're turning it on. We're setting the cake text, and this is the cake text. And then in the lore, this is the cake text for the lore page, which is right here. That's the cake text. That's all working dandy and fine. But it's not. And what I'm thinking is what I just did fixed it, is that because now it no longer exists within there, but now it's here, and that works. Let me just test it. Let me see if what I just did worked. I have a very strong feeling that it's not going to work. So we want to make sure that when the lore page turns on, these two things can't be turned on. Because we don't want that. This can't be turned on. And this can't be turned on. And we'll turn these things back on. Just so I can see if everything works. Okay. Let me go get through this, interact, enter the little house, and then interact. You've picked up a cake, and once again, it is not popping up in the console. It's not detecting. It works. It works. It gives me the cake, and I can use it, and when I use it, it goes away. It works, but for some odd reason, it's not detecting that the int is equal to and or greater than 1. Even though it is equal to 1 right now, it doesn't think that for some reason because it's not popping up the works thing. Yeah. Why is it? Well, let me go to different objects. Let me go to... Let me see if I can find different objects. Well, the thing is, if I go into the woods, I'm going to face the wolves, and I don't want to face the wolves because Owen put in the wolves, and these are going to make me... See, now I don't want to... Okay, well, alright. I think it's time. Let me put this pop up. I mean, I added Owen. Let me go into Discord. I added Owen. He never got back to me. So let me go into his DMs. Let me just fucking spam him. Because I need to figure out why this isn't working. Just gonna wait until Owen gets back to me. He's a dumb cunt. This really makes me want to commit the suicide.
Hello?
Oh, he's here.
Yes, I am.
He is here. Okay, I'm gonna stream
Yeah.
my screen since that's better than streaming you going on my stream, which has a delay.
Okay.
Let me go into this. And then I'm gonna press that. Is that what I have to press? Hold on. Okay, yeah. All right. So, I don't know if you were watching before. I mean, you were, but
I was for a quick second.
yeah. So let me turn.
I only watched you changing the colors of the things, and then I was like, "Yo, there's a lot easier way to do this, Eric."
All right. So
I was at work, so
oh, that's why. Okay.
yeah.
So here's the setup of how it looks now, and then I have it so that when you click on a certain thing, it brings up this. Right? Okay. So
Okay, looks a little strange, but
Okay.
I'm just I need to see it in action.
Do you mean like the actual thing I drew?
Yes.
It's just a page. It's a piece of paper out of the journal.
Okay.
Okay. Anyways,
Okay.
so these I only put down the cake and the potion, right?
Yep.
And I have it. I moved. So originally the code that's right here where you have all the text in, it was
Mhm.
originally on the journal, but now it's on the lore page because this is where you're actually gonna read all of the stuff. And
Mhm.
right now I only put in like the cake text and the potion text.
Mhm.
But when I pick up the cake, it doesn't put the text here. And I thought a bunch of different things, and I realized something. What I did, I want to actually check with you if this is right. I put a debug.log. That should do its thing, right? How I wrote that there.
Um.
Like if this were to do
On
that, this would
void
pop up.
cake. What calls the cake function?
I think in here, right here, item name if cake.
That doesn't call the cake function.
Okay, what does that mean then?
Go back to the other script. You see how
Oh, wait, that's not the right
go
one.
down to the cake function, yeah. You see how there's a public void cake, a function that we created? That function is not going to do a single thing unless we call it. So, I believe what we had before is when we hit the button to open up the cake text, we called
I don't think we did do that. I have no memory or recollection of us doing that.
I believe we did because there unless you scroll up.
This is just all the different texts, and then I have all of this stuff.
Public void mage. See, we definitely called the function.
Well, I don't remember that, but that's fine. If that's what we did,
We totally called it when you hit
Then-
the button because there's no other way that any of those functions would do a single fucking thing.
yeah. Okay. So, how do I do that?
All right. So, what do you want to happen? I want to know what you want to happen.
So-
because-
Okay, so let me turn this off because I'm basically making this easier. So for when I add more lore, it's not as hard for when I
Yeah.
do like the button things. So
Yep.
right now, okay, so this is the journal, and we have the journal sections. You have the equipment, items, and all of that. And each of these, it has the text, which is the equipment text, but then you have the equipment lore. This stuff is obviously it's an empty object, but I'm gonna put all of the text that will go here on these pages. And then, so for right now, I put it on all of them so I don't forget, but on items, this one actually does have stuff, and this is what it would look like. And if I turn this on, these turn on, as you can see. And then, so basically, and then
Okay.
these are buttons, and when I click on these buttons, what it'll do is I have it turn on the lore page and then turn on the cake text within the lore page. So then when I press cake, it would turn on the lore page, which would bring up this, and then in theory turn on the cake, which would be the text box that I put right here. And then I took in the thing on the lore
Yep.
page, I took the cake text and I put it in cake text.
All right,
then
go to the
when-
cake button. This is actually very simple. Go to the cake button.
Okay,
The button that you hit, and the text will pop up.
yeah, this.
All right, scroll down to like the on click event. Add on click.
So
Put in the lore page object.
so oh, the
So
lore
like the
page.
object with the functions and all in it.
So,
So like it has the mage function, it has the public void cake, public void potion, the function we were just looking at. The script that I was just looking at.
so you want me to pull the script in, not the
The object that the script is on. The script is on.
and that's this one.
All right, yeah, okay. I just didn't know if
Okay.
that was the one.
So let me
That's
go
the
back
wrong.
Up. Yeah, let me go back up
Yeah,
here,
that one.
and then I pull
And
this
you
into
Drag
here.
that in there, and you drop down menu. Go to the script. Cake.
Oh, I do remember doing this. Now I remember.
Hmm.
Now I remember.
It
It's
should
been
work
a
now.
hot minute, Owen. It's been a hot minute.
Don't tell me I'm wrong.
I see no god up here other than
Actually
me.
black. Haha, he was pretending.
I'm streaming, Hunter. Okay.
I disconnected Tim.
Okay. He knows I'm in the streaming chat. Anyways, okay. Okay.
Now it should work. Go ahead.
Well,
Go
I
ahead
wanna-
and try.
I want to do
Go
it
ahead
to,
and try.
I want to do it to this. So then for this one, I just add the tingy,
Add the thingy and add the thingy.
and then lore page, and then
And add the
journal,
thingy.
and then potion.
Yeah, I was like, you passed it. You passed it.
Potion and cake. Okay. So I just want to set this up right. So these should be turned off because I don't want them to open up at the same time. And then lore, that should be.
You want
on.
them off because you want to, when you hit the button, to have it turn on.
Yeah, I have it. I have it so that it turns on just the cake text and the lore page. So I already have that set up.
And you don't want it to start on, is what I mean. Like, if you leave it on, it will start on. And you don't want that. You want it to start off.
So I did it good?
You did it good.
Oh, okay. I thought you... Okay. And then I turn
Ideas.
off the lore page. And then I turn off the item lore. And then I turn off the journal. Okay. So that's all dandy.
It's
also,
okay.
the
It's
aspect ratio is being a bitch again, where...
Don't worry. Clear it.
Okay.
It's fine.
Oh, I
Those are
didn't,
warnings, not errors.
I didn't turn the other stuff back on, so it's gonna look weird for a little bit.
Oh, you didn't turn the canvas on?
Yeah, so I have to. Okay. Oh god. Oh god. Okay. So I got the cake. And then if I do this, journal, items, cake. Hey, there we go.
Hey.
So do you see what I did this? And then now, so instead of me having to do it, all right, now when you press back, it's going to shut down this menu, this menu, this menu. I'm going to force you to close this, and then that's all you have to do. And then you switch it to this one if you want to switch to those ones. Before they were all
okay.
on the same page, and then all of the
Yeah.
lore was on this page. So then if I added more lore, I would have to make it so that pressing equipment got rid of all like every single individual one. And now I made it so it's all this, and now it's all neat, and it's all organized, and that isn't popping up anymore. Okay. It's just not popping up anymore. Found a glitch. Just doesn't work. Hey, it says it works.
It says it works.
Okay, so it worked the first time, and then it stopped working.
And then it stopped working.
So, huh. Maybe it's because, since I have it, because so I have it so you click on this, it activates these so that you can click on, you click on cake, it turns this on, and then it turns that on, and it turns that on.
It actually does it the other way. It does that one first, then that one, then that one.
Yeah, but that's...
I didn't know if that was your thing.
No, it doesn't. I don't think it meant. I don't know. And then in here, we have this, which is set there. It just does its thing.
Do you ever have it set? Fuck. Go to the script. All right, so go to the cake function. Cake function.
So wait, down here or?
Yes.
Yeah, okay.
Your favorite moment.
It worked the
So-
first time.
It worked the first time, yes. I think I might see the problem. Go to the cake button. Just go there. Okay. What's the text? Where is the text?
The text is, well, it's not showing it anymore.
Well, is it off or on? Is the text off or on?
Well, the text. Well, here's the text. It's right here.
Not that one. No.
But
I meant
this.
the object. The object. Okay. So the back. Do you have a button that turns it on?
That would be the cake, right? Yeah.
Okay, wait.
'Cause
Click on that.
In
Click
the
on
cake, we have it so that it turns the cake.
The text on.
The text cake on, which is this.
that. Okay. Okay. All right. Hit play again. Do you have maximize on play
I do.
on?
I think so.
Turn it off, please.
Oh wait.
'Cause I need.
No, I don't. Okay.
Okay. I did not remember.
Okay. Let me.
So turn this shit off, and we can. I just want to
Oh,
see
wait,
what
that's not what I wanted. That's not what I
happened.
wanted. That's not what I wanted. That's not what I wanted. Journal. Turn off. And then this. Lore page. Turn off. Okay.
Your favorite boy.
And then that stuff's gonna pop up when I.
What are
can't see.
those? What are those? Warnings. Anyway.
It's just saying. Oh, I think it's because I don't have the like them on. That might be the reason why.
Mhm.
That's probably
Yeah.
That's probably what it is.
That is probably the reason why. Okay.
So we pick up the cake, and then we go to journal, items, cake. There it is.
It's there. Okay.
It's
Oh, wait,
there.
hold up. Stop. Hit pause right now. Let me actually maximize this. Hold on 1 second so I can see this better. All right. All right. Click on the cake object. On the left, under lore.
Okay, I was
just
right.
click on
okay.
it. Yeah. Just click on it. Okay. Now I want you to hit the back arrow. Like unpause and hit the back arrow. I just want to watch. Okay. Now hit the cake again. Hit pause. Alright. See how the cake is actually... Click on the cake object on the left again. It's grayed out, am I correct?
Yeah, but it
Meaning
says
it's turned off, but
it-
it's turned on?
the lore is turned off. That's why it's turned off. But I have it. I have so when you press this button, the backup button, it turns off the lore and turns off the lore page. Because
Okay,
I want to make it
Do
so
you
that,
have a Do you have a button that turns on the lore page?
yes.
Click on the cake button. Go to the cake button.
In the cake button, I have it so that it turns on. Oh, there's the problem.
That's why I wanted to see what happens.
That was the problem.
All right, now you unplay before you do that, because then it'll revert back.
Okay, let me turn this stuff on. All right.
I have it. So what do you? Oh.
Oh, that's interesting, huh?
It did exactly what I told it to do.
It's like having like a, I don't even know.
Oh, it's like having a child that does exactly what you tell
I was
it
gonna
to
say a servant, but then I was like, okay, that's kind of weird.
do.
All right, cool.
Child.
Yeah, let me grab the lore,
Yeah.
and we're gonna turn you on.
Game object. Set.
Turn you on. And then we're gonna turn.
Nope, that's all you need.
Yeah.
I 100% bet that's all you need.
And there.
You need to do it with the other one too. Yes.
Okay. We can turn. And then I'm gonna turn these
That's
up.
copyrighted music.
Well, I couldn't even understand what you were singing, so no one's watching. I don't think that matters, but no one's watching. Okay. See, now the animations are playing, so it's not being like, ooh, it's not working. Okay. Picked up a cake. And then now, go to journal, items, cake, boom,
Back.
cake. There
Cake.
it is. And then now, what I want to test, do you have anything that gives me a potion?
I definitely do, but I don't know where.
No, that's when we press pause. And then-
And go searching in the chest.
Here's the thing, you don't have a text for the wolf yet, so I can't get the chests in the forest.
They're all in the forest.
Oh god. Okay, well,
You're gonna
let me-
have to play through the entire game.
No, we don't. We can just go to chests. If I find the chests, here are the chests. This one has a cake. This one has a potion. So where is this one? It's right here, in the middle of the woods. Okay. Here's another
Eric,
chest.
they're all in the woods.
That one, but does this one have a wolf for it? Because this one's the path that you don't have to do for the wolf.
Yes, but can you get behind the house without being attacked by a wolf?
But you're supposed to be able to.
No, you have to go through.
Yeah, but
You have to go through and then around. Not go behind the house and then.
wait. So what you're saying is, if I went through here, I would be.
Oh, no. I thought you meant starting from the starting point and getting behind the
no,
house.
I'm gonna. Yeah, no, yeah. Okay, so that gives me a potion. Cool. Do that. All right. Let's go. Is it me or is the aspect ratio wrong? I feel like for me it's wrong. Because if I no, it was.
What does it say? What does it say up there?
I don't.
Up
I don't know.
on the game thing?
Wait, hold on. Let me.
The-
You know. Oh, so yeah, that's what. It
Oh,
should say.
you're on free aspect. That's why. Change it from free aspect to 16:9.
Where's that?
Up at the top left, sort of thing. Like
Top.
right under the game tab.
And then right here.
Yeah.
Then free aspect.
No, not free aspect. Wait, are you on 16:9 right now?
Yeah, I am. But it wasn't.
And
doing
why is
that.
it? Why was it moving like free aspect?
It's kind of.
Click on free aspect.
Well, I fixed it. I fixed.
Well, if you move it around, it shouldn't. Oh, because it wasn't even large enough. Like move. I don't even know.
Well, if I-
Whatever. Continue. Just continue.
All right, whatever. I don't have the level up button, so we're just gonna fight the wizard. Just gonna fight the wizard. Oh, gee. Okay. Well,
It's because you're thinking, what the fuck?
there we go. I fixed it.
Yep.
Sure, I fixed it. All right.
And I wanna be my best friend, baby.
Oh, oh, oh.
You forgot.
Yeah, I kind of looked at chat, even though no one's watching. Well, that's an ample time to use my cake. Or not. Or not. Or not.
Or not.
It's a mistake.
This was a mistake. Oh, you're gonna have fun fighting the knight who's level 3.
Oh, that's great. Just give me that one. That one's easy. That one has a science to it. The other ones are just chaotic.
Chaotic. The other ones are just chaotic. What's my second one? Oh yeah, the
soul thing.
soul thing.
Oh god.
Chaos.
I'm gonna fucking die. I'm going to actually die. It gives me yes. Thank you. No, it spawned me bottom. Okay.
Well, you're dead.
It spawned me below. It spawned me down here. It literally spawned me down here. It didn't spawn me
No,
down
it didn't. You moved down there. I
did
literally
not move
watched
down.
you.
I never
I
pressed
literally
S.
watched you.
I never
You know what?
pressed
No,
S.
we.
Okay. Okay.
Let's go to the fucking stream, Eric.
Alright. I see how it is. Why did it give me the flask? I never sit.
I'd like to say, Eric, that it spawns you in the same place every single time. Yeah.
Why did that turn on? After we had died?
I don't know. I was aware of this issue. I still don't know.
Oh, you were aware of this issue. Oh.
Yes.
It's going on your permanent record, Mr. Squidward.
You were aware of this issue.
Oh, so my eyes are correct.
Well, actually,
Actually,
have you
I'm gonna
actually
unplay,
no?
and then
I am not. The issue is actually not there. It's non-existent because we still have a save file. And when you died, it reloaded the save file. You never deleted the save file, so it actually reloaded the last time you saved.
Oh, so it's my fault.
No, it's no one's fault. The game is doing exactly what it's meant to do.
Okay.
No one is meant to be playing the game like you're playing it right now.
Well, yeah.
No one is supposed to. The game is not supposed to start on level 1. It's supposed to start the main menu.
Yeah. I need to turn that on.
If you start on main menu and you hit new game, then everything will be fine. Eric has given up. He's using dev buttons.
Okay. Hello, good sir. I'm just gonna eat your skeet.
Eat your skeet.
It doesn't have the cake lore, so we're gonna have to get some of the cake lore. Oh yeah, I also need to apply the new things so that we don't have to worry about that, but okay. Alright, let's go this way. Picked up a potion. Cool. Sicko mode. So now, okay. The potion should work. I don't have... Oh, that's ugly. Oh, okay. This potion, concoction, yep. And then the cake should not... Problem. So we also need to make it so that when you exit out, it turns it off.
We might not have the everywhere object delete the cake int for player pref. That is my first thought.
Who's it now?
All right, unplay. Doobie. Find the everywhere object.
The everywhere object?
It's called everywhere.
In here?
Yep, it's named everywhere. I'm looking right at it. Go to the script that's on it.
Okay.
Open that shit up. Oh no, cake int is deleted. Interesting.
Gotta love it. You just gotta love it. You hate to see it. So, okay, let me go into, I think I can just go through what happens here. So, Mr. Squidward, as you can see here. Nice ass, Squinny.
Oh wait, no, Eric, it's the same problem we had last time. You probably saved with a cake int.
What?
Hit play right now.
Okay.
Now go into journal. See if it is there. See if cake int is there. It is not.
Wait, fuck.
Wait, fuck. All right, now what you gotta do? Check if cake int is there, then get a potion and see if cake int is there. Yeah.
So check. Okay, so check this. It's not there.
It's not there.
Neither is potion.
Now go get a potion. Level up a shit ton. Get a fucking potion.
Oh, okay. It just did not want to move. Might as well.
You know, you can actually go. You can actually go through now.
Why?
Because you're leveled up, you won't even have to face the wolf attacks.
That is true, but we're already here, aren't we?
1827 damage.
That's a lot of damage.
Yes.
Okay.
Thank you, heal. Bitch, shut the fuck up.
Give me that dick. Give me that potion. Okay, just did not show me the text. Cool. Why didn't it do that? Wait, why didn't it show me the text?
I don't know.
The
Go back
text
up to the chest. Alright, I just want to make sure that... Alright. Oh, it doesn't matter. Check the journal. Check the fucking journal.
It didn't work the first time. Items, cake. That works fine. That works fine.
Check the cake again.
Okay. Okay, so what it's doing is when I open this, it's not cool. When
I know the fucking problem.
I know the problem. Because, like, when I click on this, what it does is it turns on the thingy. And so it's turning on the thingy.
It's not turning off the text object.
Yeah.
But it's just turning off that.
So there was no. The reason why I did that is so I wouldn't have to do it to every single one, but I'm gonna have to do it to every single one.
No, you don't.
I don't.
Yes, you do.
I do. Yes. Yeah. That.
You might.
Let me turn this off.
You're gonna wanna be my best friend, baby. You're gonna wanna be my best friend.
By the way, in the actual game, you're not gonna get the journal until after the first level.
Okay.
I decided that.
Okay.
I forget why, but it's in my head, and that's just there. Yeah, it's because I want you to discover what the journal is. I don't want you to be like press pause at one point, be like, wait, I have a journal.
I see.
So I wanted to so that you pick it up. I was like, where the fuck are you gonna pick it up in the first level? How about the level? So I was like, well, if you wake up in the little shack, it'll be in the shack. So that's fine. And if you don't find it and you don't pick it up, well, then you don't get no lore book and you don't understand anything of what's going on unless if you just follow the main story.
All right.
Anyways, okay. So we have it so that when I press.
Do your things, Eric.
I do the thingy. It activates.
You can. Okay. So there are two ways you could do this. You could do it to every single fucking one, or you can change the script so it just changes the text of one text object. You know what I mean?
So okay,
So instead of having multiple text objects, you have one, and all you're doing is changing what it says.
Okay, so I get rid of this and I just make this one the text.
Yes.
Okay.
And then in the script, instead of having like the bazillion text objects, is what we did before because of how it was oriented and how things worked. Now we can just have it as one text object.
Are you doubting yourself, or are you just waiting till I do
doubting
something?
myself.
Okay.
I'm thinking. Huh. So, the amount of text I saw for like the mage, for the cake and the potion, are you gonna be able to fit 3 different lore things for the mage, brute, and whatever?
Oh, what you're saying is that I'm gonna have to change the text font size, and that won't be able to unless I can't do that unless I do separate text things.
No, what I'm saying is, are you going to be able to fit 3 things in there? That's all I'm asking.
Well, probably. It's just that how it's oriented and shaped is weird, but I can. The thing is, well, if I change the font size, then it'll become smaller, and then it'll fit more.
Because I think that's why we did different text, is because of
No,
how
I had them all
fit
with the
it.
same font size. They all went the same on this one page over here.
Yeah, no, but I think the reason not to fit is because we didn't know how much was in each text thing, and so we made it so we could put the different, like the 1, 2, and 3 separated, because that's how we did it, instead of having it be one long thing.
Oh, yeah.
That's why we did it, but we could have 1, 2, and 3.
Well, we could. Can we just make 3 text things?
Yes, we could.
Is that?
But that's where the question comes in. Are you gonna be able to fit 3 text things in? Because of how big of the cake and the potion thing was.
I should be able to. Because like,
Alright.
because how I fit it in before is I tried making it so that it didn't overlay on the other one, but now that I'm going to be able to make 3, it actually makes it better, because then I can fit one all up here, fit one all down here, and then fit one all right here. So that makes it easier
Okay.
for me.
So now all you have to do is change the name of 1 to like 1 or 1, 2, and 3. You have 3 different text
Yeah.
things.
So
Um,
I'll rename this one to
you can name it whatever you want. Just make it like a 1, 2, and 3.
that.
And then in the script, you change all the mage text dot text. It would now just be text1 dot text, you know,
Yeah. And text.
and you'd make a text like a public text object of text 1, 2, and 3, and you get rid of all the other ones and you change them all, and yeah. All right. Oh.
So okay.
All right.
I have this. If it will let me, please. I need to do that. So I will fit this one up here.
All right. I'm going to go. Bye.
Okay. I don't remember how to do what he just said. Does anyone want to play Among Us? No! So I put this one here. I can make that bigger. And text 2. All right. I wonder if they actually let me get that. That's those two. It doesn't exist. That is unfortunate. Let me think. So I made the 3 different text boxes. In the script, journal will have text 1, text 2, and text 3. Text 1, text 2, text 3. And then we'll change text 1, copy, paste, paste, Okay, all of those are good. The bottom was the smallest, but that's okay. That's alright. Sorry we couldn't scap tonight, girl, but that's alright. Alright, girl. I'll see you tomorrow. Okay, so now we have it set to that, and then we have it set so that when you press on the cake button, it'll open up the lore page, then it will turn on text 1, and then it will turn on lore. Specifically, let's see, that's the thing. I don't think that's gonna work, because then if you have all of that text, then the mage, because that's gonna open up cake text, and then so it'll open up text 1, but then it'll overwrite itself. Because now it's opening up text, so both everything has that text. So how is that? I did it wrong. I didn't do it the way Owen told me to do it. I thought that's what he meant. I think I'm close, because we want it to run that. have it run that, and then it turns on the lore itself. Yeah, let's move all of this stuff outside of the lore, put it above here, and then just delete the lore. Because that just adds extra stuff. It adds extra steps that I do not care about. Missing object. Okay, I don't know what I just got rid of. Text on lore page, missing objects. Subtract you. There we go. And then this one, missing object, subtract you. Okay. So we got rid of that. But now the problem arises that, let me turn off, well, actually, I do want to turn on all of them, but wait, so the problem that we had is that it turned on the lore page, but it didn't. I know how to make this even more simple. We click on this. Okay, well, we get. Okay, bring back what we had. There we go, bring this back. Make it so that these are all on, but then only control the lore. So, if I can get rid of this thing, because it's already gonna be on. So, how do I fucking... Get rid of... I want to get rid of text too. Got rid of lore page. I got rid of the lore page. We don't want that. I understand that, my good sir. Oh, well now I selected it. There we go. And cake, take the text, and get rid of it. So now, if we leave the text on, but then turn the lore... Or we could leave the lore on. But then what it's going to do... What's going to happen is if I have the cake and potion text on, I'm going to press this, it's going to run this cake, and then it's going to run... Oh no, because it's only just going to run the cake. And then so when I turn this on, it'll open up the lore page image 1, it'll run cake, it'll find where that is. So that should work. That should work. That should work. So I turn these off because we want to press text, press items before then, and those stay. Lore page will be turned off, journal will be turned off. Lore stays on though because it will only open if I do this. So then all I have to do, I don't even need to have the lore. I don't even need to have the it's just gonna be on. Wait a minute, hold up. I think I can make this even more simplistic. We can then again get rid of the lore thing. Okay, right? Ow, my leg. My leg! We can get rid of the lore thing again. So let's get all these, drag them out. Lore, delete. And then go to items, go to here, this cake button. Then here, delete. And potion, delete. So then when we click on the cake button, what it's gonna do, it's gonna run the cake function where it shows it, and then it's gonna run the lore page, and the lore page will be turned off, but this stuff will already be turned on. So when the lore page gets turned on, all of this stuff gets turned on. So it's gonna be turned off for now, and then so is this stuff, but it should do that, I believe. So we turn that on, then we can turn text box, level up because that's gonna be important. Text box, interact, energy flask, and then save all of that, press play. Somebody help us. Oh. Yeah, I need to put the spacing between that a little bit bigger. Then we come in here, pick up cake, yep, and then we press pause, go to journal, items, cake. Don't know why, but for some reason eating cake heals me. Why do the words look weird? Like the words are like being altered. Now is it gonna fit? Well, we're about to find out. It doesn't look like it's gonna fit because this one only goes down to I think like right here. So, it might. Oh, okay. I forgot to do that. Got it. Got it. Turn that stuff off. Journal, lore page. The button in the lore page, the back out button, what that does right now is it just turns off the lore page. That's all I wanted to do. Yeah. Save that. Then lore page, get out of the lore page. Then we can turn this stuff back on. And then press play. Somebody help us. How unfortunate. Interact. And then go into here, journal, items, cake. Here it is. Again, the text is being weird, but this is smaller, but this is bigger. I don't know why it does that. It did that before, but now that goes back, and now that goes back. Oh, but it doesn't show. Oh. That's why, okay. I know now why that didn't work, because in journal, for the button, this button right here, we have it turn off the journal, but we also needed to turn the pause menu back on. That is my bad. Okay, let's save that. Journal, turn you off, press play. Alright, now everything should work, hopefully, maybe, I don't know. Let's turn you on. Picked up a cake. Everything is working. Journal, items, cake. There's the cake. This. Okay. Ah, I know why. Because okay, I know how to fix that. Okay. In lore page, the button also has to turn off those functions. So, right now in the journal, cake has this function go on, but the button needs to not only wait, that's not right. Oh no, that is right. My bad. Pause menu turn on. was on the wrong thing. This button. This button here. This, all it does is turn off the lore page, but we need it to turn off the lore page and its journal function of, right now, cake. Oh, wait. Oh. So that's just calling the function. But it doesn't turn, we can't tell it to stop calling the function. Oh, how do I do that? Because when we press cake, it calls the cake function. But then when we press potion, it should call the potion function. But cake is still up there. And that's because when we back out, it leaves the cake, it leaves it there. So we need to figure out a way how to stop calling the cake function. But I think we need to write that. So what we have so far is, you know, if that, well, how would we write that? Because we're just calling the function, but I want to give it the option to turn it on and off. So let me think. So what I think that we're gonna do is we're gonna I need to give it the option to turn off specifically the cake function. Or to stop the cake function. Because all we can do now is have it I think I can just, I think what I can do is I can just pull it in. I'm dumb. I don't know why it's right here. Cake. Game object. That's how you set it, and then you stop it. You stop it from doing that. And then we gotta do that to the other one too, so I have to pull in another one. And then... oh no. Oh fuck. No, because what this is gonna do is this is gonna turn off this. This is going to turn off the lore page. That's what that's gonna do. That will turn off the lore page. But the thing is, we want specifically, I don't know why I grabbed it again, we want specifically the journal. I wonder if we were to stop continue string. Stop all continues. I wonder what that will do. Because then in that case it's going to stop all... I don't know. We'll see what that does. I don't know what that does. We'll see what that does. Let's see what that does. So, right now, picked up the cake, go to journal, cake, boom, it runs the function. I press this and then it stops. So it's, Okay, so that just doesn't do what I want it to do then. Because basically what that's doing, I don't even know what that's doing. What does that do? What did I say for the back button to do? I don't know what that is. Actually, what I could do is I could look. Let me look up. Because what I did, let me. Here's the lore page. Let me get rid of all this stuff so I can see. Actually, I can see with everything else. Turn you on. So I made it so that this turns that off. But that's not what that means. I thought that's what that means, but that's not what that means. What if I did it as a string? Who knows? Maybe it would... Maybe? Maybe? I don't know. Let's figure out what this does. The other one did nothing, so let's see what this one does. Picked up the cake. Go to journal. It's there. And it's still there. Okay. Something
Do you know what fucking coroutine is, Eric?
No.
That's like the I enumerator thing. That's like a fucking... No, you're just completely wrong.
Well, that's what I'm trying to figure out.
You're just completely wrong.
Well, I just figured that out. You didn't have to come in and tell me. I press quit. I didn't mean press quit. Okay. Oh, I didn't mean to do that. Yeah, I didn't really remember what you said, but I got like a rough idea. Oh yeah, I should probably share my screen. I guess you probably want that.
You are sharing your screen.
Oh, I am sharing my screen. That's hot. Yeah, so I made the 3 different text box thingies. And then I have it... You seem very infuriated. And then I made it so that this still does that. Oh yeah, and then in the thingy I changed it so that it's like text 1, text 2, text 3. And this,
yeah.
what I'm thinking, because what's happening is obviously what's going to happen is I pressed cake, and then it runs the function for cake. So then on the text window it will show cake, but obviously it'll show the same thing for potion if I do that and overlap it. So what I want to do is I want to make it so that when I press the back out button of this...
Wait, hold on. What do you mean overlap it?
Like, if I run the cake function, because what's happening right now is if I run the cake function and then back out and then come back in, it's still there. And even if I click on potion, which means if I were to pick up a potion and a cake, they would overlap each other.
Alright, I know your problem. Go into the script. Create a new function.
Uh-huh.
All the way at the bottom. Call it back.
Right here? Right here? Yep.
Nope. Right there. Yep.
Call it public void.
Yep.
Okay. You sound very infuriated.
Now do back.
Back. Did I spell void wrong? No, I didn't.
Now make every single text equal to quotation mark, quotation mark.
So text 1 dot text. Okay, yeah. So text.
Yep.
1 dot text equals quotation mark, and then end quote.
Semicolon.
I just said end quote. I don't know why I said that.
Because what's happening is since you don't have any potions, it's not changing the text.
Yeah, I was just trying to figure out how to make it so that it does that. It doesn't do that. Fuck. I just was trying to figure it out on my own, and then you just barged in here, and we're like, okay, I did that.
Now save it. Now go to the back button and add that function to it.
Back out. Okay, so get rid of this. Then add new function. And then I would need to go to the lower page, which I already had, and I got rid of it. But we want to do journal and back.
Alright, that's it.
Okay, let's see what that does. Picked up that hot cake. There it is. And this is something that the font does weird. I don't know why it makes these words small, but then these words big and distorted.
I don't know.
Yeah, it's just weird. And now it does that. Cool. Great. So will everything work now?
Uh-huh.
Great. Now I just have to add in the stuff. Just gotta add in the stuff. Yeah. Just gotta add in the stuff. And then I'm done for the day. Okay. So.
Alright, bye.
Alright, well, there he goes. Let's see here. What time is it? Oh god, it's 8. I've been at this for a while. Probably stream on Twitch. Gets me more viewers. But the thing is, I like YouTube because that's where my audience is. But then they bring over Twitch. Fuck. Okay. Okay. So all we need is cake and potion there. So now in equipment, oh, I haven't written the equipment script yet, so we'll do enemies. Enemy lore, and we'll create text, and then there are currently, I don't think I wrote the wolf lore yet, so I think it's just the 4 dudes or the 3 dudes. I'm just gonna go check. I don't know why I'm not checking. Night, so 1, 2, 3. Yeah, there's only 3. Oh yeah, and I also need to write the lore for the anomalies. Fuck! Fuck! This could take me so long! This take me so long. Okay, you know what? I set up I set up how the lore thing is, so tomorrow that's when we'll actually write all of the lore for the key, that. Oh yeah, I gotta add the key, I gotta add that. Well, actually, okay, let me do the stuff that I have here now. I might as well do the stuff that I have here now. So, let me do that. And then, okay. Huh. Okay. So for enemies, and it's just enemies, so I just need 3. So enemies, let me turn on the enemy lore. And text, dupe you twice. Dupe, dupe. This one can be named Mage. This one can be named Knight. This can be renamed to Brute. And then Mage, we're going to take you. I don't know why I did that. I don't know why I did that. I'm dumb. I'm perhaps retarded. Yeah. Uh-huh. Yeah. Okay. Back. What we're gonna do is we're gonna duplicate position, or potion, not position, duplicate you, then bring you down into enemy lore. There we go. And turn you off and turn enemy lore on. So now that is gonna be there. No, that's not what we're gonna do. Fuck. Okay. We're gonna duplicate in items, item lore. You're gonna delete you, delete. I'm gonna duplicate cake, because then it'll be in the same spot when I put it down here. So now it's down here, and there we go. Okay. So now we'll turn on enemy lore, and then in cake we'll duplicate you, and we'll duplicate you, so that we can move you down to, oh, let's turn item lore on actually. Let's turn those on so we can get the same distance. I want the same distance. So cake, I want this one to stay there, this one to line up exactly with potion. It's like right there. And cake 3. It's like that much. Yeah, roundabout. And now we can turn this one off. And then so now we have cake. We can rename you to, rename this to Mage. And in the text, write Mage. And then have the button, what the button currently does is it calls lore page, which is good, but then it calls cake, and we want it to call Mage. And then that's all I have to do. That makes it so much easier. Now that's literally all I have to do is the name, and then just switch it to switch it to whatever it is. That makes it so much easier. Before I had to, oh my god. Oh, 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 oh my god. That makes it, oh, that makes it so much easier. You have no idea how hard the old version was for me to add new lore. I had to like make so many different button on click scripts for like all the different okay. Cool. I'm glad it works. Rename you to Knight. And then on the Knight button, we change this. Oh my god. To Knight. And then that's all I have to do. Besides the fact of me changing this to Knight. That's all I have to do. Change this. Name it to Brute. And then Go into brute text, change that to brute, and then go into the brute button, and then just change this to brute, and that's all I have to do. That is all I have to do. So now if I save that and then I turn off default to turn off, then I turn off, that's already off, then I turn off the journal, oh my god, turn it off, and then I turn all of this stuff, text box through energy, oh no, level up through energy flask, turn all of that stuff back on. I moved something, level up, I don't know what I did. I don't know what I did. Oh, I don't think I did. Oh, yeah, me doing, that's what that was. Yeah, that's what that is. Oh, but I didn't mean to, fuck, oh, shit. I want to do it from level up to energy flask. That's why it looked offset and weird, because that is the center. Okay. Press play. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. I'm gonna go into the house. There's your boy. Picked up a cake. Go to journal. I gotta have a better journal area to go to. It's all distorted and weird because I don't know why. Items, cake. Don't know why, but for some reason eating cake heals me. Nothing shows up for potion. Enemies. Yes. 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 Oh my god, it's so much easier now. And then let me just spam level up as I go down here. Let me kill this mage like a little bitch. This is going to change, but we'll pick that up for now. And then let's press pause, go to journal, enemies, mage, there it is. So the mage's cult comes from the most southern region. So what would they be doing in the northern region? Better yet, why are they attacking? Attacking my... What is attack... Oh, my village. Yeah, so it doesn't fit. So now we have to figure out, how do we make it fit? But we know it works. Everything works perfectly fine. And I go back and I go to night and nothing's... Holy sh... Oh my... Oh my... Oh! Hiya! Holy shit. Holy shit. I can't believe I did it. Hiya. It makes it so much easier. All I gotta do is just make a new thingy, and then it does two things, and then it's done. But all I have to... Okay. Ho. 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 Jotaro. All I gotta do now is... Oh, fuck yeah. Fuck yeah. Fuck yeah, brother. Fuck yeah, brother. Oh, fuck yeah, brother. Okay. I'm officially erect. Okay. Turn all these off. Go to lore page. Turn you on. So now we have to make them fit. There's one simple way to make it fit. Just to make it bigger. Just take bikini bottom and pull it somewhere else. Make that smaller. Need to make it fit. And then text box, we can change you, so we'll fit you right here, and then we can make you fit all the way over to here. And then this text box, move you up to right here, make you fit all the way down to here. Well, I want a little room for that. And then this one. That should be a lot better. So now if I save that, then more page, check that off, then set back on. Yep, we get it. We get the idea. I don't really care about, I just want to get the satisfaction of being able to fucking pick this up and then fucking read it in here. Oh, well, okay. If I can fix my screen, then free aspect, that makes it worse. Oh, that might be the reason why. Oh god. I think 16 by 10 was working. Yeah, there we go. Well, see, now I can't see the bottom. See, there's that. See, here's the thing. It's like, I go, it should be 16 by 9, because then there's that, and then now we can see everything. Oh, and it fixed the text. Okay. Cool, I guess. Let me actually come out of this and make it so that I can maximize on play. I don't know if that will fix anything. I don't think it's gonna fix it. I don't know why it does that. It's so weird. Because it works for Owen, so it works. But then like I'll go into here and then I'll press pause and I'll go into journal, and then it'll like cover everything for some odd reason. Like covers everything. But I'm in 6.9. Go to 6.10, it just makes it worse. I can make my own custom scale. Oh, that's why, because it was in time, it was like multiple. It's weird. That's the reason why it wasn't working. I must have by accident touched it. That's probably the reason why the scale was being so weird. Make sure it's saved that. Okay, good. So now it'll work. Now it won't be all fucky wucky. There we go. See, that looks normal now. I don't have to go in there though. I want to see if the mage script fits, and all of its stuff fits. We level up a bunch of times. Okay, that should be good enough. Okay. Kill you. You are now dead. What will you do? I don't know. What will I do? Will I fucking come? Okay, pick up that dumb bitch. Pick, there we go. Yeah. Journal. Enemies. See, but now the aspect ratio is being weird with that. Okay. Mage. Mage's color comes from the village. And then, yeah, and I still have plenty of room because it goes down to, like, right here. And everything's normal sized. Fuck yeah. Everything works. Oh, that's sick. Now, quality of life when we polish, I'm going to make it so that when you get a new lore entry, it'll give you a little notification. But for now, it fucking works. It works. It works. Let me save everything, make sure everything's saved, and then I can collab it with Owen. And then tomorrow we will then write the lore for the wolf. Rhea, actually, yeah, Rhea will have its own thing, but he's on a tablet. We'll write the lore for the tablet, the key, the save point anomaly, and the wall anomaly. And that's everything we have so far, I think. Do we want to write lore for chest? I don't think so. But that's all I want to get done for today. I don't know, do we want to record a video? I kind of want to play Dark Souls, but at the same time I kind of want to just edit that video for tomorrow, and then I want to just record tomorrow, and then get on my way for editing that. But that's all I wanted to get done for today. Was that much. Sick. Okay. Cool. I am now going to end the stream. Like a fucking baller.